Hi, here we are at a table set with plenty of healthy food. You can see there is everything that is recommended by all global health authorities to keep us in a state of well-being. Whole grains, fruit and vegetables, omega-3 rich fish. Very often, we find it difficult to ensure our body receives adequate quantities of the precious nutrients found in these foods. Partly because most of the products which are derived from the processing of whole grains are generally deprived of precious lipids and sterols. Partly because fruits and vegetables now are shown to be impoverished in nutrients. Partly because we tend not to eat fish because of the high risk of contamination. The solution? We have to commit ourselves to having these so important foods on our dining table for us and our family to eat. And then, let's use healthy supplements to support our diet. ProVitality Plus represents the ideal supplement providing us with those nutrients that are found in those recommended foods. Each sachet contains 4 elements. Treanan, a supplement of lipids and sterols from whole grains, wheat, rice and soy. Carotenoid complex, providing carotenoids from fruits and vegetables. Carrots, spinach, paprika, tomatoes, apricots, peaches and strawberries. Omega-3 salmon oil plus, with omega-3 fatty acids from fish, salmon, tuna, sardines and anchovies. Essential vitamin and mineral complex, to supplement with a wide spectrum of vitamins and minerals. All elements follow nature's blueprint for human nutrition. Natural extracts assuring a wide range of nutrients. It is exactly the respect for what we like to call nature's blueprint for human nutrition that allows us to have safe and effective supplements. Do not hesitate to fill the gaps with ProVitality Plus. Each box provides you with the lipids and sterols in 15 kilos of whole grains, the carotenoids in 37 kilos of raw fruits and vegetables, and whole 10 servings of omega-3 rich fish. If you want to make the difference, start your day with plenty of vitality.